Hi, I'm Katie, makeup artist, stylist, and founder of Beauty and the Boutique. I'm going to take my makeup off and I'm going to share with you how the transformative power of clever makeup techniques, style tips, and an empowering mindset can help grow your confidence like never before. So, this is me, makeup free, and while I certainly haven't been this confident in the past, especially getting on camera without any makeup on. In fact, growing up, my self-esteem was at an all-time low. I developed a skin condition called psoriasis, and psoriasis left my entire body full of scars, and that really did impact how I felt about myself, and obviously every time I looked in the mirror, what I saw. And that really did affect my self-esteem and confidence growing up. Because of this, I embarked on a career as a professional makeup artist and stylist so that I could learn how to help other women build their confidence so that no one would ever feel as low about themselves as I once did. I'm going to start applying my makeup now and tell you about how since becoming a makeup and stylist, I've learnt some really clever little tips that have not only helped me learn how to conceal scars and dark circles, but have also really helped boost how I feel in clothes. These skills, along with learning really easy techniques and ways to improve my mindset, have completely transformed my confidence. Ever since, I've been on a mission to help as many women as possible with their self-esteem, with the transformative powers of makeup, style, and positive thinking. What's more, I wanted my professional makeup and style advice to be completely free and accessible to all. And so Beauty and the Boutique was born. So if you're watching this and you're thinking, I've never been any good at makeup, I've never been any good at style, or you've simply felt underconfident, invisible, or overlooked, no matter what your age or your stage in life, don't worry, because I built Beauty and the Boutique for you. So here's what Beauty and the Boutique can offer you. Free step-by-step tutorials to help you enhance your natural beauty, plus quick makeup tricks that promise to answer your every beauty dilemma. Exclusive access to my handpicked must-haves that I've tried, tested, love, and absolutely swear by. Unlimited tips to help you fall back in love with what you wear and to develop your very own signature style. Easy mindset techniques that will help boost your feelings of happiness and confidence, plus simple ways that you can treat yourself with kindness and positivity. And last but not least, a dedicated happiness team to answer your every beauty, style, or confidence concern with free personal advice for whenever you need it. Your time is now. It's never too late to be whoever you want to be. So join me and millions of other women on this transformative journey of makeup, style, and confidence. It's all waiting for you here at Beauty and the Boutique. Here's to loving yourself like never before. Welcome to Beauty and the Boutique.